beautiful girl. You're a lovely picture, beautiful girl. You're a gorgeous mixture of all that lies under the big blue sky. My heart cries.
Jeez, I love Mother's Day, don't you?
You're a dazzling eyeful, beautiful girl.
Mothers are pretty great.
And don't forget grandmas and aunts too.
Come true. There may be blondes and brunettes that are hard to resist. You surpass them like a queen. You've got those lips that were meant to be kissed, and you're over sweet 16. Oh, beautiful girl, what a gorgeous creature, beautiful girl. Let me call a preacher, what can I do but give my heart to you?
A beautiful girl is like a great work of art. She's stylish, she's chic, and she also is smart. For lounging in her boudoir, this simple, plain pajama. Her cloak is trimmed with monkey fur to lend a dash of drama. Anyone for tennis? Well, this will make them cringe. And you'll knock 'em dead at dinner if your gown just drips with fringe. You simply can't be too modest at the beach or by the pool. And in summertime, it's organdy that'll keep you fresh and cool. You'd never guess what loud applause this cunning hat receives. And you'd never dream the things that you could hide within these sleeves. A string of pearls with a suit of tweed. It started quite a riot. And if you must wear frocks to the opera, Dame Fashion says dye it. Black is best when you're in court. The judge will be impressed. But white is right when you're a bride and you want to be well dressed. Beautiful girl, for you